I'm done all the way around. I've pulled all of my tape just to make sure that I didn't miss any spots, which is a good step to do. So like up in here in the wheel wells, you know, that if your tape is uneven or you miss a little bit of spot, so make sure once it's reasonably dry, pull the tape to make sure you didn't miss anything, then you can do little micro touch-ups. So all in all, I'm incredibly pleased. So as I've gone through this and I could see the sections that I didn't do yet, the difference is dramatic. Now on this side, now I notice as I keep kind of buffing it, there's a little bit of kind of residue that I get, but that is dramatically different, especially considering I was looking to probably replace these from the compound spin-off that I had the last time I polished the car. So just amazing, absolutely amazing all the way around. As you can tell, it's not hard. And I really do recommend using the masking tape to go around and make it easier to do the work. What I found is I did one last pass on the car, I missed one piece, and I was simply because I hadn't taped it off. So my eye didn't fall on it. I tried to do a little bit of it by hand and I found it was just awkward. So I stopped what I was doing, I immediately masked it all off, and it really made it so much easier. The masking takes a little bit longer. The actual masking takes longer. The biggest part of the project is just doing all the masking tape, right? But I really feel like it's worth it, and make sure you don't have any mistakes. You can get right down into all the edges and make all the plastic look really, really good. The other thing to keep in mind as well is that they have the black kits. They also have gray plastic kits as well. So if you've got gray exterior plastic that's starting to oxidize and kind of get that white kind of look on it, this is a great way to fix that as well.